Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of MM2. I love this game, it's getting so addicting. I'm level 46. I think I was like in the level 20 something in my last murder mystery video. So yeah, I've made some progress. Yeah. So I've been picked as innocent the last couple rounds, just catching you guys up. But like my murder percentage is still low. So yeah, let's see what happens. Okay, I love this map. It's like it's so easy when you're murdered. Let's go up to theater. Oh no, someone's up there. Ooh. Well guys, I'm still pretty bad at this game, even though
that was the killer.
I'm sorry about that, guys. My brother just started talking. Alright, so like when we're in the lobby, I just like to play kind of a version of Forms of Book. It's so fun. Like, see, I can never make that jump right there. After you hear like a chewing noise, I have gone. So yeah. Oh, I wanted to show you something. Y'all probably know about this if you watch people play this game, but see, it's just a secret room. You go right there. It's hidden well. But yeah, since the R15 update, like you haven't been able to glitch really, except for that little secret. So yeah. Also, I don't think I was elite in the last video. I got the elite game pass. I got Robux and I got the elite game pass. So I'm glad you also see the video. I haven't played this and filmed it in a while. So yeah, I'm gonna try to film more for this on this channel for this game. So yeah, that's gonna be pretty fun.
Go next to the door.
Okay. Little disclaimer, guys. I live in a house with a brother and a dad that won't stop talking. So if you hear like background noises or anything, that's what you hear. I'm very sorry about that. But like they know not to talk when I'm recording. It's like my mic is like so strong, it'll pick up sounds surrounding my PC. So yeah. Also, if you want to know, no, I don't have any social media type stuff. I have a TikTok, but like, I think I have a private account. I don't know. I haven't been on it in a while. I'm pretty sure I have a private account, and like I only follow people. Okay. So yeah, I'll leave my TikTok username in the description if you want to follow me. TikTok was Musically, but of course they changed the name. So yeah. Alright, let's go vote. Okay. Okay, that's confusing. Factory. No, this map is better. Come over here, yeah. I just like the factory map. It's so easy to get around. I'm innocent once more. I've been playing this game for over an hour and I haven't been murderer or sheriff at all. That's nice. So I think after this, after I'm done filming this, I gotta go high. Ooh, okay. I saw her. Again. I know who it is. Boom. That's why, like, when you're an innocent, you don't go AFK, because you can do that. You can become a hero. Oh, I got 3,000. That's great. House. I like the house now. Like, it's so awkward when you have to jump like that to get the gun. Because one time, the murderer killed the sheriff. I'm pretty sure it was the house map. And they got stuck in the ceiling. That was hilarious. Oh, sheriff. Yay. So, like, they got stuck in the ceiling. And, like, everyone was crowded around there jumping. Oh, yeah, it was. It was, like, right there. Right there. And, they were, like, frantically jumping. It was so funny. Who could the killer be? I think it's Blue. He's, like, shaggy. Or maybe it's Dude. One time, some guy, he was sheriff and stuff, and like he was in. Is it him? I'm scared. It might be him. Who is it? It's not him. It's that guy in the It's her. Yes, it was her. Alright guys, so I'm so good at sheriff. It's pretty easy. Okay, unfortunately, I am an innocent, and I think I'm going to end the video right here. So I hope you liked this video. Make sure you liked if you enjoyed it, and subscribe. Post notification if you don't want to miss a single video I post. Bye!